Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of grammar, specifically adverb phrases. Have you ever wondered how we can replace single adverbs with groups of words that function just as powerfully? Well, buckle up because this is what we're exploring today. Introduction to adverb phrases. Let's start with a simple definition. An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. It modifies a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb by providing extra information. Think of it as taking a single adverb and expanding it into a more descriptive phrase. For instance, the adverb bravely can transform into the phrase in a brave manner or with bravery. It's like adding layers of detail to your sentence. Examples. Here's another example. The adverb unwisely becomes in an unwise manner or without wisdom. The adverb recently can change to just now or at a recent date. And how about the word there? It transforms into the phrase at that place. Doesn't that add a bit more depth and clarity to your writing? Rules for adverb phrases. Now let's break it down into 3 simple rules to form adverb phrases. Rule 1. In plus a/and plus adjective plus manner/way. This is one of the most common patterns. For example, instead of saying, he spoke attractively, you could say, he spoke in an attractive way. Or, instead of, she fought bravely, you could say, she fought in a brave manner. It's all about making your description more vivid. Rule 2. By plus verb ing plus object. Another way to create adverb phrases is by using this structure. For instance, my friend developed confidence by reading books. Here, the phrase by reading books modifies the verb developed and tells us how the action happened. Rule 3. With plus abstract noun equals adverbial phrase. This is where we get even more creative. Use the preposition followed by an abstract noun. For example, I accepted his challenge with firmness. Ram succeeded in life with determination. These phrases describe the manner or attitude with which the action was performed. Here's a quick challenge for you. Can you think of an adverb you use frequently and turn it into an adverb phrase? Let's try one together. If you often say, she answered quickly, how about changing it to she answered in a quick manner? Pretty easy, right? Feel free to pause the video and share your examples in the comments. We'd love to see how creative you can get with this. And there you have it, adverb phrases made simple and fun. They're an excellent way to elevate your writing and make it more descriptive. So, the next time you write or speak, think about how you can turn a single adverb into a rich, detailed phrase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!